Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by protecting your data. Save a copy, then focus on the exact range you want to clean. Select the columns or the whole table and make sure headers are correctly identified. Once done, convert the selection to a table with Ctrl+T so Excel tracks rows as a unit. This makes later steps safer and allows structured references. You're ready to apply duplicate detection tools without risking the original sheet. Now you'll remove duplicates. Go to the Data tab and choose Remove Duplicates. In the dialog, uncheck any columns you don't want compared, so Excel only matches the fields that matter. Click OK to delete exact duplicate rows. If criteria are more complex, use Advanced Filter to extract unique records or create a helper column with countifs to mark first occurrences, then filter and delete non-first instances. These options finish by visually verifying results. Sort or filter key columns to confirm unique entries, then save the cleaned file. If you remove something by mistake, use Undo immediately or recover from the copy you saved earlier. If duplicates still look present, make sure data is normalized. Trim extra spaces, standardize case with upper/lower, and convert numbers stored as text. These simple fixes resolve most stubborn duplicates and prevent future mismatches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.